is all I'll ever know. So when you get to heaven, may the devil be your judge.